Welcome back to the tutorial where we build the profile part. I do want to show you your bizlyCard, which is where we ended last time. You can enter your bizlyCard through this button here from the top right, or from View My bizlyCard. So once you get to this part, as you can see, the bizlyCard is built and inspired by websites, right? So websites typically have a top nav bar, and then they have different categories, especially if it's a portfolio website. So this first page will pretty much have everything that is about you. Your quick, who am I? What do I do? What am I? What do I believe in? What are the quick links that we need? Almost like the link tree, right? Which will be here, which we'll add. And then underneath it, once you start networking, once you start collaborating, once you start showcasing more work, you're then able to showcase your activity, and the activity feed will be underneath your hero section. The next part will be your portfolio, which is currently empty on my end, but this is where you'll be adding all your content. This page is going to be super fun because as we built Bizly, this will be built to accommodate all of the content that we've uploaded. The next part is the info part, which we'll work on today. And then services, and then finally the resume, which is a coming soon part of Bizly. With that, we'll get started. All right, the homepage. We've done our intro, right? But once you're in Bizly, you can pretty much put more information about yourself, which eventually will train the AI of Bizly to help you get noticed. So these are things that are not mandatory, but these are things you can do. And then you get to personalize your domain. Mine is Roy Arwas. This is probably taken because I have another account. This is my dummy account. You're welcome to add it. I'm not dummy. But I'm going to do Roy because I can claim it, which is pretty fun. And then I can add a few more roles at this point. So I'm going to add CEO, which I don't know if I like that role, but it is a role I have to own. And then we have a creative director, as I do that sometimes. And then you can search it, right? And then where are you based? And then your pitch. So we have that part. Then once again, as we've seen in the last tutorial, we have the mobile covers. You can have up to 5. These are going to be seen on the mobile, much like the hero will be seen on the web page. And then we go into add a link. Think of this as your link tree, right? So my IMDb. So then I could do my IMDb, and then it would be www.imdb.com/Roy Arwas. Obviously, that's not my IMDb, but you get the gist, right? And then it will be right here as a quick button that people can do. Another fun thing I like to think of that what we can utilize these quick buttons for is schedule a call. If I can spell today, schedule a call. If I can also spell, and then it would be my Calendly link, right? Or my Google link or whatnot. You can obviously preview it. You can add it. You can add up to 5 different buttons. But if you need more or less, let us know. We're always happy to change that. And that is your hero page. All right, going into your second part, your info page. So what is your info page? You have the social links, which you can add, your Facebook, your Instagram, whatnot, where people can, follow you. So then I would put Roy Arwas here, and that is added, right? And then it adds, and it will be right here. And then your bio. This is where you get to put your longer bio. This is where once we train our AI with everything, this kind of detail will help the AI be like, if someone's like, hey, I'm looking for someone who is really interested in nature. This bio will then be fed into the AI, and the AI will match you to those people. So I'm going to just put a quick, about me. About me will go right here, smiley face. And once that's saved, it's right here. We've already done the general info, but just so you guys see it, you can be employed as student freelancers or don't show. And then industry, I am in another industry, which is, marketing, I think. Yes, this is it. And then save. Cool. Going into this part. Available to work. This part is not used yet, but once we do have opportunities on Bizly, this will kind of turn on and off if you want to be, occupying your feed with more job posts or not, and people will kind of like reach out to you if you are available to work. I'm always available to work. I love working. And then my phone number, you can kind of see it here, but 123. I'm going to put my phone number. You're welcome to call me anytime. And then my email. So this is kind of like the information that you can make visible to people who are not connected to you or are. And this is really up to you how you want to do it. And then we have our office, which is Creative X Entertainment, Los Angeles. That's your personal info. Finally, representation. Representation is pretty much if you have an agent, if you have a rep, if you have a manager, a modeling, a legal representative. Any representation can be listed here. You can put them up, and these will always be visible to anyone. Right? So you add the company, you add the representation type, and then you add the representative within that company. And then finally, the keywords. Keywords are your SEO, search engine optimization. These keywords, once the app, is in full effect, these keywords will also be used to help people find you. For example, for me, I love technology. I work in marketing, right? And we're very excited to have had you. I appreciate you guys being here. Next time, we'll go through services. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you. And I'll see you on the next one.